saw the debates this week on television as well as I did. The words that come to my mind on the 50th anniversary of the Voting Rights Act, as I saw the commentators with their staged questions, as I saw the candidates that got up to speak, I want our young people to stay encouraged. We're not the only ones that need education. We have to have more qualified and talented people that would be willing to take on the helm of leadership of our nation. So children, feel encouraged. If you feel discouraged, turn on the debates and see the opportunities that lie before you. One thing that came to my mind on August 6th during that debate program, the words of bipartisan betrayal. Bipartisan betrayal. I'm talking about the loss of trust, confidence, a contract, an implicit agreement, understanding that should be upheld, betrayal. When not one journalist would ask about civil rights or mention the Voting Rights Act. When not one candidate would talk about Voting Rights Act. It's ironic to think that in this year of our Lord of 2015, that it was in the year of 1870 that the 15th Amendment was originally passed so that we could have the right to vote. And then all sort of rules came into being that systematically denied African Americans their right after the 13th Amendment was passed to abolish slavery, unless duly convicted. Look at how Jim Crow works. You are abolished, free from slavery, unless you are duly convicted. When you become convicted under law, you have civic death. When you have a felony, you have civic death. You have been disenfranchised from all of your rights of property, all of your rights to housing, all of your rights to a fair trial because you have been given a felony. It was Mr. Lyndon Johnson who said he saw a wrong and wanted to correct it. He was out on the campaign trail. We have to pay homage to a man that did so much in so little time. When Mr. Lyndon Johnson says African Americans have not been treated fairly, I am going to ensure that they now have this right unencumbered, unabridged, this right. And he had to do it on a voting rights